Thank you for watching, liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing right now.
This is my iPhone. And these are my iPhone coasters. Well, actually, they're just icons as seen on the iPhone. I suppose some of them are also found on the iPod-touch. And then, pretty soon, the iPad. At least at the time that I'm recording this. I would say this makes my den incredibly geeky. Now they're square, but there's nice padding underneath to keep the coasters from sliding around. Even though they're rounded icons, the way that the protective coating is applied to the coaster itself, that is the design of the coaster, they needed to be square. So if you want to know where you can get your own iPhone coasters, let's go ahead and pop over to the website. meninos.us. meninos.us. Available right now. Now, I also ordered some placemats, which are in the shape of folders. And if I scroll down a bit, you'll see some of the other options they have, including a magnet frame, which they sent to me as a bonus, kind of nice. There's the iPhone coasters set right there. The other one that I wanted to get that they didn't, there's the placemats. Sorry, I'm going to finish my sentence sooner or later. They haven't yet completed this, but they're working on playing cards in the shape and design of the iPhone, so I'll be getting those as soon as they're available, and they'll probably go right there to finish this particular ensemble of, well, things on my coffee table. I mean, where else am I going to set my coffee mug other than on a coaster? What's this? I'm glad you asked. It's hiding the remote controls. See, and the photo goes in there. Like, you can put any photo in there that you want. There's Pixie, snug in her bed. How you doing over there? Huh? Oh, did you see the Throwboy pillows right here? Yeah, this room is all macked out. And Pixie likes hanging out here. Wicket, not so much. Wicket's more of a Linux dog, and he's waiting for me to get some Tux memorabilia. What do you think, Wicket? There you go. iPhone icon coasters. My email address, chris@pirillo.com. Got a blog, chris.pirillo.com. Of course, we've got a community of tech enthusiasts, geeks.pirillo.com. And then you can typically find me hanging out in my home office with a live video feed going out over the web 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And yeah, those in the chat room that are a part of that feed are talking tech, for the most part, right now at live.pirillo.com. We'll see you later.